Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss how to avail cashless facility for emergency hospitalization. Or we can say that how to get treatment in hospital without making any payment in case of any emergency. So this video is only for TCS employees, but if you are employee of any other organization, then also you can watch this video to have an idea of how to avail cashless facility, because none of the organization have so much difference in their policy. So however, there may be slight difference, but there will be about same pattern that is to be followed in TCS. So let's start this video. What is cashless facility? So first of all, the essence of cashless hospitalization is that the insured individual need not to make an upfront payment to the hospital at the time of admission. So any insured candidate or person have not to make any payment at the time of admission, and this is the best facility that we are getting, because at the time of hospitalization in any case of emergency we may not have any amount to pay, and this is the benefit of cashless facility. And the insured need not to pay anything for all the covered expenses as a part of treatment. Emergency hospitalization. So first of all, what is emergency hospitalization? This is basically very simple, and as the name suggests, emergency hospitalization is the hospitalization in which you are admitted to hospital and you have not proper time to plan your hospitalization. And example are very simple, like accident or any other sudden attack, or maybe many examples for the same. Now, cashless hospitalization. This is the hospitalization in which you have proper time to plan your hospitalization for at least 48 hours. In that case, you apply in the portal of Medibuddy that you are going to get admitted in a hospital, and in that case you will have pre-approved hospitalization. Now, network hospitalization. So what is network hospitalization? Network hospitalization is basically Medibuddy has a number of hospitals which are collaborated with Medibuddy, and that network of all the hospital is called network hospitalization. And both the emergency hospitalization and cashless hospitalization can be availed from the network hospitalization only, that is from the hospitals that are collaborated with Medibuddy. You can check all the list of hospital in your area and in whole India from the Medibuddy portal. This is, you have to follow very simple steps for the same. Now, process for cashless facility for emergency hospitalization. So you have to follow a process to avail cashless facility. First of all, present your insurance e-card during admission along with any other valid government ID / TCS ID card at the insurance kiosk at the hospital. You can download your e-card anytime by clicking the e-card tab on your insurance portal. Fill the pre-authorization form available at the hospital, jointly you, the treating doctor, and the hospital. Now, TPA sends the approval to the hospital. Further enhancement approvals may be issued on request, subject to terms and conditions of the policy. In case the expenses are not covered by your policy, you will have to settle the hospital bill in full. Note: you have to note that denial of a pre-authorization request must not be construed as denial of treatment or denial of coverage. The hospital will ask you to pay for all the non-medical expenses in your bill. You may have to make this payment before discharge. So there may be various type of non-medical expenses that may not be covered in your policy, and you have to pay amount for the same. And the things that are covered in policy or not, and this will depend on your policy, which type of policy you have, that particular expenses will be included in your coverage or not. In few policy, you may have to pay the amount for some particular expenses, and in other policy you may have to pay for the same. So this totally depends on the type of policy that you have. At the time of discharge, please make sure that you check and sign the original bills and discharge summary. Please carry home a copy of signed bill, discharge summary, and all your investigation reports. This is for your reference and will also be useful during future healthcare needs. The New India Insurance Company Limited. So this is your e-card. and here will be your details basically, and your eligibility, like you have room 1 eligibility, twin sharing AC room for employee, spouse and child, and twin sharing AC room for parent-in-law. So here will be your details, like policy holder is your organization name, and policy number, policy end date, policy start date, everything will be mentioned in this e-card. And this e-card can be downloaded from Medibuddy portal, and you can visit Medibuddy portal via Ultimatics, and you have to select any of the option, like maybe utilities and infrastructure, and or maybe services, I'm not sure about that, but you will find there Medibuddy option, and you will redirect it to Medibuddy portal from there. So basically visit your Ultimatics, and then via Ultimatics you will visit Medibuddy, and you will get every information about your policy and claim track and everything. Now helpline number 24-hour toll free number is for you is 1800-208-1033, and this card, that is your e-card, is only for identification and is not an authorization to proceed with the treatment or a guarantee for the payment. In the case of photoless identity card issued to beneficiary, acceptable proof of identity such as Aadhaar card, passport, driving license, ration card, voter ID, PAN card should be presented at the hospital. So if you have photoless identity card, then you have to give valid proof like your government ID, any of the government ID that is mentioned here. So you should take care of that if you are planning. This is non-transferable identification card, is valid at selected network hospital and will enable cardholder to avail cashless hospitalization only on the basis of pre-authorization by MediAssist. So this card is non-transferable. You cannot give the benefit of this card to any other candidate. So you have to follow this strictly, and it can be allowed or it will be valid only at selected network of hospital that I have recently told. And don't worry, these collaborated hospital are available in every city. So you have just to confirm that it is registered or it is collaborated with Medibuddy or not. Important notes: room rent eligibility for parent and parent-in-law for all plan except Platinum Plus plan is entry level twin sharing. Now, opting higher room category than eligibility will cause proportionate reduction, which is applicable to all bill line items and not just the room rent difference. So you have to take care for the same. This deduction to be borne by employee. 1 year waiting period is applicable for newly added parent-in-law for selected ailments. For more details, please refer policy condition available in Ultimatics. For cashless pre-authorization request queries, please write to cashless@mediassistindia.com. If you want to know about every policy and condition, please comment. I will make video for the same. Tracking your claim is much simpler and at your fingertips. First of all, what is claim tracking? Claim tracking I will explain you. First of all, I want to tell you that there are two types of hospitalization. First is you are admitted in hospital and get your treatment in or more than 24 hours. Then you can avail cashless facility. But if your treatment is completed within 24 hours, then you cannot avail cashless facility. Then you have to pay the full amount that is spent on your treatment. Then but it does not mean that this amount is not covered in policy, or you may not get this amount from the Medibuddy. You can get this amount as your reimbursement, but for that you have to claim this amount, and for that you have to submit your copy of bills as hard copy and also soft copy on the Medibuddy portal. And approval for this claim takes some steps and some time. Then to know the status of this claim, you can track your claims. This is very simple. I hope you have got my point. So this is basically claim tracking. So you can track your claim, that is whether it is approved or not, or what is the limitation in your claim. Everything you can know by tracking your claim. So accesstrack.medibuddy.in, or you can also track your claim by downloading, which is also available in Android and iOS. So now contact matrix, HIS contact matrix. For all queries other than enrollment, 24 hours dedicated toll-free number is 1800-208-1033. For cashless pre-authorization request queries, hospitals can write to cashless@mediassistindia.com. First level mail support is tcs.his@mediassistindia.com. Escalation mail support for urgent and enrollment queries, corporate.his@tcs.com. So guys, this was all that I wanted to tell you in this video. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you will like this video.